So most people solve this question like 9 plus 18 is equal to 27. Divide, now 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so the answer is 27 upon 12. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, and also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, is equal to 9 plus, now 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied 2. Now we have one addition and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication. So is equal to 9 plus, now 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. So 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So the correct answer is 15. Okay.